Moxi Present. Showcase your open house. With Moxi Present, you can create an eye-catching, interactive open house presentation in just a few minutes. Simply start a new seller presentation and enter the open house date and time. Add the MLS number to pull in property information and photos. Select the comps that most closely match the property. Embed a Google map. Include a testimonial video from one or more of your clients. Add a Contact Me for a Showing page. When you're done, send your sphere an invitation to your open house with a link to your presentation. And post a link to your presentation on social media. During your open house, display the presentation with complete CMA to show prospective buyers how your listing stacks up. Ready to explore more ways Moxi Present can power up your presentations? Sign up on Sales Pro for live webinars every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Visit your intranet for on-demand webinars, user guides, and frequently asked questions. Winning clients takes Moxi. Visit nrtgateway.com/Moxi Present to learn more.